All right, little LABUBU. Time to slap you on the case. Like this. So cool. Huh?
Oh my gosh! What happened here? What kind of mess is this?
I was just drawing!
Phew! Much better. Okay, time for today's challenge. Draw a LABUBU. Let's go.
Aw, so cute!
Draw what?
I love LABUBUs! This sucks. I got something cooler. First up, my notebook. Much better. Let's get drawing. Start with the head, then the rest. Sweet! Now to color it in.
Phew. Let me show you how it's done. Nope. Sharpening first. Let's see. Oh, yes. Perfect point. Outline first, just like this.
Now for the skin tone. Oh yeah, teacher's got no clue how to draw.
We'll see about that. Sketch done. Now go over it with marker. Time to add color, like this.
Whoa!
Go away.
Whatever. Time to add final touches. Like this. So pretty. Way better than someone's.
Let's fix the limbs. Perfect. Can I turn it in? I'm ready. Not bad. Yikes.
Yeah, sure. I'm done too.
Alright, let's take a look. Ooh, tough call. But I'm picking this one. Congrats.
No way. Fine. We'll see who wins next time.
What a cute little bird. Hey, buddy.
Hilarious. Hey, hello.
Oh, my bad. Draw the bird. Okay, no problem.
Got it. I'm using tech this time.
What?
First, let's snap a pic of the bird. There. Perfect.
Always with that silly phone.
Stop talking.
I'm quiet.
Let's go. Tape goes here, then outline with marker. Nice. Perfect copy. Cut it out, then stick on acrylic bits.
Careful. Don't rush it.
I know what I'm doing. One fabric piece per body part. Like that.
Oh, I better start. Done. Old school is the best.
Add the beak, the feathers. But wait, there's more. Also works as a brooch. Hey, I'm done.
I guess I'm done too. Here. This is all you made? Seriously? It's classic style. Wow, now this is art. You win. Congrats.
Yay! I'm the best!
Roar. Oops, got carried away. Next theme is jungle animals.
Awesome!
Okay. Oops. There you are. Oh, I've got an idea. Let's paint her feet a bit.
Huh? So ticklish!
There. Now we stamp it.
Huh? What was that?
Phew, not bad. Now let's finish it.
Oh, gross.
Add some yellow strokes here. Now switch to brown. Do the same down here. And draw the eyes. Perfect. All done. It's a lion.
What? Mine's not that pretty. Well, I tried.
You've got a good imagination.
Really? Thanks!
Wow, looks awesome. smells kinda bad though, but you win.
Yay! Thank you!
Check it out! Shadow show!
Wow, amazing!
Your next task, draw a butterfly.
Easy peasy.
Gotta clean this desk first.
Good luck with that.
Ugh. Wait, that gave me an idea. Put a rubber band on the sponge, like this. And paint the back.
All right. This round's mine for sure.
In your dreams. Now stamp it like this. Then add more. Draw the butterfly details, like this. And done! So pretty!
Mine looks great too.
Okay, starting with this one. Wait, is that printer ink?
I couldn't use it? Oops.
Here's how it should have been done.
Knew I'd win!
No way!
Hey, what's next? Time to have some fun!
What are you doing?
Go, little guy!
Huh? Ah! Where did that come from? You little…
I had nothing to do with this.
So it was you?
Don't know what you mean!
If you love frogs so much, draw them.
Easy.
Okay.
Ugh, I'm thirsty. Oops, wait. This green color might work. Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's not working.
Mine's done. Watch and learn.
Oh, dang it.
Check out my froggy.
It's okay, I guess. And you? You didn't draw anything? Then this one wins.
Score! Where did he go?
Thanks everyone. Here, have some flowers.
Oh, how sweet.
Wow, thanks! So pretty.
What are you waiting for? Draw 'em!
Oh, okay. Already on it.
Oh no, I can't draw flowers. What do I do? Wait, I know. Lay down the leaves and spray paint over them. Now use glue to draw new leaves. Like this. Awesome! Now cover it all with glitter. Let's add more. Oh, yeah! And ready!
Hey, careful!
Oops, sorry. All done. Not bad, huh?
Mine doesn't look so good.
What do you think?
This one's kinda basic. Wow, but this one's pure magic! Superb!
Yay! I mean, thank you.
Comment that I won!
No, I did.
No way! Vote for me!
Snack time! Oh no, the Skittles are gone!
Poor thing.
Huh? Tissues?
I can't take this!
What about us? I have an idea. First, add color to the unicorn. Like this. Perfect. Now take a tissue lid, stick it on, and pour candy inside. Just draw on nostrils and a mouth. Cute!
Oh, adorable. I drew a unicorn too. But yours is way better.
I'm done. Check out this cutie.
You'll love it.
Huh? Oh, so cute! What's this? Wow, snacks? You win. Thanks.
No problem.
You deserved it.
Today's my kitty's birthday. Love you, buddy.
What a cutie!
Try drawing him.
Oh, here's my kitty. Cute, right?
Sure.
You didn't even look.
I was finishing my stencil. Now add different paint colors and blend it all. Like this. A few brush moves. And done. What a pretty kitty!
That's nothing compared to my geometric cat.
We'll see.
Wow, so bright and colorful. And this is awful.
What? Why?
Doesn't even look like a cat. You win.
Meow!
Hey there, buddy.
Achoo! Achoo!
Who's a good boy? Draw the doggy.
Got it! Grab the paper, paints, and some markers too. Now what?
What?
Nothing. All cool.
Yeah, cool! Oh, wait. That's an idea. Place the hand like this and trace it. Add details. Then color it in. Use different colors to make it pop. Like that. And done! Doggo complete!
Ta-da! I'm done too. Look.
This one wins.
Oh.
Don't be sad. Here.
Wow! Yay!